Good morning, kiddos. Okay, so what we are going to do today is now that we have played our little roll and read game, we are going to now practice it by ourselves, okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to get this paper out. And what you're going to do is you are going to, of course, write your name because the first thing we do is always the same. We pick up our pencil and write our name. Very good. And what you're going to do on this paper, boys and girls, is you're going to go through and you're going to read the vowels. So again, remember, this week we're talking about our long vowels, okay? And that's when we have this super E on it. So that's why we have this line above it. That's telling us that that's the long vowel sound, okay? So I'm going to read these. So once you watch this video and see how I do it, then I want you to do it by yourself, okay? And if you have a question of what you should do in each part, just rewind this video and you can listen to my directions again. Okie dokie. Okay, so first you're going to come up here and you're going to activate your pointer power and you are going to read the long vowels. So we have A, E, I, O, U. So remember, we have 5 vowels, okay? Then we're going to come over here and we are going to point and read what this is. So this is A, K, A, K. So my ending is ache. Okay, do we see how I did that? Because why is there not a dot under this E? What did that E do? That's right, it gave all of its power to the A, so the E is silent. That's why we don't have a dot under it. So ache, ache, ache. So then, boys and girls, you're gonna come on over to this thing, this little area right here. Okay, so do we see how there are 3 stars? So what you're gonna do is you have to read all of these words correctly the first time, and then you can color in the stars. So let's say I say fake, bake, rack. Oh, well, wait a minute, that's not right because the A have to say A. Well, I can't color in my star. I have to start over. So now I'm gonna say fake, bake, rake, lake, take, sake, make, wake, cake. So did I read all of those correctly together? Yes, I did. So because I did that, now I can come and I'm going to color in my star. So did that. Okay. Now I'm going to have to read it. I have to read it correctly all the way through to be able to color in this star. And then I have to do it a 3rd time to be able to color in my last star, okay? So make sure that you read them all correctly in the same time so that you can color in the stars. So if you mess up, you got to start back over, okay? So then we're going to come down here and you have to use the picture to fill in the missing vowels, okay? So I'm going to look at this one, and that is a cake. Cake, right? So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to write A. Okay, so A. Oh, but wait a minute. What I have right there says k-ack. K-ack? Is that a cack? No. So what do I have to add? Very good. I have to add my super E. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to remember that I always start my letters at the top. And now I'm going to write the word cake. So I'm going to use my C, right? And then I'm going to come over here and use my magic C. And remember, so I make my magic C and then I use my little line to make the A. And then my lowercase k is big line, little line, little line. And then I have to use my E and boom, just like that, okay? And then, boys and girls, so you're gonna go through and do all of those. So this is a cake, a rake, a lake, and a wake. Like that's her waking up. So she's awake, so wake. So cake, rake, lake, wake. Okay, so you're going to do the same thing on all of these. And then, boys and girls, you have to come up here and you have to pick any picture that you want. And you have to use that word and you have to use it in a sentence, okay? So any sentence that you want, okie dokie. And so once you're done with that, then you may come back and you may color, okay? So if you have any questions, boys and girls, just rewind this video, okay? So you need to finish all of this, and then again, remember down here, you pick one of these words and you use it in a sentence and write your sentence, okie dokie? All right, kiddos, we would love to see a picture of this when you're finished. So have mom and dad take a picture and send it to your teacher if you would like. And if you need anything, you can call us. All right, kiddos, love you. Bye.